Hi everyone, I'm Mike Mello, broker associate at Preferred Real Estate Brokers. Today I'm in Pinewood Reserve, which is actually really close to 417 and Lee Vista, so a really centralized location here in the Central Florida area in Orlando. So we're gonna look at this home behind me. This home behind me is a 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom home with a 2-car garage. It's 1,850 square feet. Now the base price at time of shooting, and today is March 16th, 2021, is going to be $389,990. Now that's the base price. The lot premiums are between $35,000 and $40,000, and those are actually conservation lots, so your backyard will actually face the conservation, no rear neighbors, which is really cool. And then of course there'll be upgrades. This one does have some nice upgrades, has nice flooring upgrades. Also the kitchen has some really nice cabinetry, including soft close drawers, so that's really interesting as well. So what we're going to do is we're going to flip the camera around and then take you on a walkthrough of this home behind me. All right, so here we are in the front of the home. I'll give you a little view over here where we have the front window. This will be actually bedroom number 2. And then we have this here. This will be the garage. It's currently used as an office. And that's one of the biggest questions I have is, where's the garage? Well, when they have the model homes, they usually use them as offices and convert them back to garages when they sell it. So let's go ahead and walk inside. Now this is a Pulte home. It's the Highgate model, but make sure you do contact a realtor, whether us or someone else, before you actually go visit, because we can definitely help you get the best incentives and save you some money. So as we come in here is the front hallway. We have some recessed lights there, and then also we have the ceramic tile floor, which is an upgrade, but a very popular upgrade, putting a ceramic tile floor throughout. Now if I go here to the left, they're currently using this as an office, but this would actually be bedroom number 2, and we wouldn't have a door here. We'd actually have a door right here. They actually have a floor map right here where you can see that was a bedroom, and we just saw it from this side, but the actual door would be here, and then this would be a full bathroom. Right now it's currently just a half bath, just because they need to be ADA compliant, but that will obviously be a full bath with a shower and tub. So we come over here. This is bedroom number 3. As you can see, we have a nice sized bed there. It looks like a queen size bed actually, and then we do have the closet right here. So let's go ahead and continue the tour, and we'll go this direction. And over here, down this hallway here, this is where the air handler is. This door here goes to the garage. This would be the main door to the garage, but it's currently locked. And then we do have on this side, we do have a laundry room, washer and dryer, be something that you would purchase after you move in. And then bedroom number 4 is here. Now they do have the standard carpet here, and then it's set up as an office right now, but as you can see, there is a closet there, so it actually can be used as a bedroom. So what we're gonna do now is continue and go to the heart of the home where all the living space is. So down here, this is just like a coat closet. Let me open that up and show you. And then we go here, and here is the kitchen, dining room, and family room. So let's talk about the kitchen first. So looking at this kitchen, what do you see now? All the appliances are typically separate as far as the refrigerator goes, but they've upgraded this to the gourmet kitchen. What the gourmet kitchen means is that instead of having a range, you have the built-in oven here, and you have the stovetop here, instead of having that little range that you can buy at like Lowe's or Home Depot. And they've also updated all the cabinetry. You can see how the style is with the crown molding. And also, if I look over here at the drawers, if I pull this drawer out here and then go to close it, it has that soft close feature, which means that this is a pretty nice level cabinet upgrade. And we do have the granite here. This looks like a pretty entry-level granite that you can get for either included or for a small upgrade price. But they'll have other ones to choose from too if you don't like the color. They do have the pendant lights here hanging from the ceiling. And then if I scan over this direction here, this will be the either breakfast nook or dining room. We do have a couple recessed lights here in the ceiling, and then that right there for a chandelier if you want to put a chandelier down. Right off of that dining room is going to be the patio. It is a covered patio, as you can see here. And then Of course, the conservation lot, they are working on putting some mulch down there right now around some of the trees, but that would be the view that you have on all these lots. Now, if I go back this direction here, I'll show you the living room, family room area. So a very spacious area. You can put your couches, sectionals, whatever you want there, and a coffee table, and then you can have this. Now you can look at this wall. They've done a design on the wall with the woodworking here. They've also put in some built-in speakers that would all be upgrades. They also have a tray ceiling with recessed lights that also would be an upgrade if you want that, or you can just keep it with the ceiling fan and the regular ceiling. So that only leaves one more room, which is the primary bedroom. That's this direction here. So as we come into this room, you'll see that we have a king size bed. We have plenty of space between the dresser and the actual king size bed. And then we have a sitting area over there. So it's a nice size room. And then we also have tray ceilings and recessed lights here. And then also we have little designs on the wall that you can do after the fact. They don't even offer that as an upgrade through the builder. That'd be like an interior design feature later. And then we go this direction here. And then this will be the primary bathroom. We do have the dual sinks, the mirror, light fixture, and then they have upgraded the shower. As you can see here, we do have the backsplash. Now, this is a really neat feature that I see in quite a few homes now. They have this window here that's a privacy window, but also gives you some natural light. And then instead of having the actual chrome frame, this is the frameless shower with a little bit thicker glass than the standard glass that comes with most of the homes. We have our water closet right there. And then if I go this direction here, we have our main closet. So let me go ahead and go back to the bedroom and finish up the tour. All right, so that's the tour of this home. Again, 1,850 square feet, 4 bedrooms, 2 baths, and the base price today, $389,900. Remember, if you're watching this tomorrow, or a week from now, or a month from now, or 10 years from now, that price will be different. Make sure you contact us so that we can tell you the updated pricing. We'll link everything below. If you like looking at luxury homes, $1 million and up, we have a channel for that as well below. If you prefer watching these videos in Spanish, we also have a link for that below also. So I want to thank you all for watching, and if you are interested in seeing this, make sure you give us a call. Also, thumbs up on the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. Hope you all have a wonderful day. Take care. Bye-bye.